So in here we're asked to write a polynomial of least possible degree that has each of the following solutions. So basically we're going to start writing our polynomial in factored form. So we're going to start writing factors. So the first factor would be x plus 6. The second factor would be x minus 8. Third factor would be x minus 10. And I'm going to explain to you why I wrote those factors. So in here, the root minus 6, how it's related to the factor x plus 6 is because when you solve for x using the zero product property, setting f of x equal to 0, then you would set x plus 6 equal to 0, and then once you solve for x, you would get x equals minus 6. Same thing here. If you set x minus 8 equal to 0, then you would get a solution of x equals 8. Same here. X minus 10 equal to 0, you get a solution of positive 10. An easy way to remember this is that you can just write the opposite signs of the operations inside the factors. So minus 6 gets a plus sign as the operation sign next to the 6. 8 goes to minus 8. 10 goes to minus 10. So same thing here. And this works because of the zero product property. So what do you do when you put 0? You just write x, because if you set using the zero product property x equal to 0, you get x equal to 0. So if you have a solution of 0, you just write x. The next factor will be x minus 1, because if you use the zero product property and set x minus 1 equal to 0, then you get a solution at x equals 1. And then the last factor is x plus 3. And you're probably wondering, why do all of these have a multiplicity of 1? And that's because they're asking us to write a polynomial of least possible degree. Because if you have the case of repeated roots, then these factors would have higher powers. Anyway, and this one right here, I'm going to change this. Oh, that should be an I in there. So right here we have the solution of 3i and the solution of 4. But imaginary solutions come in pairs. So 3i, you would need to find the conjugate, which is negative 3i. So negative 3i is also another possible solution. So in here, polynomial of least possible degree is f of x equals x minus 3i for that root, x minus 4 for that root, and then x plus 3i. And there you go. Those are your polynomials of least possible degree.